by step. First, open your web browser and go to Gamma AI. Sign in to your account and open the Gamma workspace. Now click the option to create a new project. From the available content types, choose the option for creating a web page or website. Next, describe the website you want Gamma AI to create. Be specific about the topic, target audience, sections, and overall style. For example, you can type, create a modern website for a small digital marketing agency with a homepage, services section, about section, testimonials, and contact section. After entering your prompt, start the generation process. Gamma AI will create a web page based on your instructions and organize the content into different sections. Once the page is generated, review each section carefully. You can edit the text, replace images, add new sections, remove unwanted content, and adjust the layout. You can also customize the appearance of your web page. Use the available theme and design options to change fonts, layouts, and the overall visual style. If you want to improve specific content, use Gamma's AI editing tools when available. You can ask the AI to rewrite text, make it shorter, expand a section, or improve the wording. Before publishing or sharing the page, check the entire website carefully. Make sure the text is accurate, the sections are organized properly, and the design looks good on the page. When everything is ready, use Gamma's available sharing, publishing, or export options to make your web page available to others, depending on the features included with your current plan. And that's how you can create a web page with Gamma AI in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful AI tutorials.